What if I told you that you are throwing away money every time you toss food scraps? Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the amazing world of zero waste cooking where nothing goes to waste and your wallet stays happy. Did you know the average family throws away $1,500 worth of food every year? That's like flushing cash down the drain. But don't worry, I have got game changing tips that will transform your kitchen scraps into delicious meals and put money back in your pocket. Get ready to become a zero waste cooking superhero. What is zero waste cooking? Zero waste cooking means using every part of your food instead of throwing pieces away. This includes vegetable peels, herb stems, chicken bones, and overripe fruits. Nothing goes in the trash when you cook this way. Most people waste food without realizing it. We throw away broccoli stems, onion skins, and carrot tops. These foods are actually full of nutrients and flavor. Learning to use them saves money and helps the environment. Zero waste cooking also means planning better. You buy only what you need and use everything you buy. This reduces trips to the grocery store and keeps your food budget under control. Save vegetable scraps for stock. Vegetable scraps make amazing homemade stock. Save onion skins, celery leaves, carrot peels, and herb stems in a freezer bag. When the bag is full, make stock. Put all scraps in a large pot with water. Add salt, pepper, and lime and bay leaves. Simmer for 1 hour, then strain. You now have free vegetable stock that costs nothing but tastes better than store bought versions. This stock works great in soups, rice dishes, and sauces. Store it in a freezer for up to 6 months. One bag of scraps makes about 8 cups of stock, saving you $10 or more. Turn stale bread into treasures. Never throw away stale bread again. Old bread becomes bread crumbs, croutons, or bread pudding. These items cost money at the store but cost nothing even made at home. For breadcrumbs, tear stale bread into pieces, bake at 300 degrees until dry and crispy. Then blend in a food processor. Store in an airtight container for 3 months. Croutons are even easier. Cut stale bread into cubes. Toss with olive oil and salt. Then bake until golden. They make salads and soups taste restaurant quality. Use variety fruits wisely. Variety fruits seem useless, but they are actually perfect for many recipes. Soft bananas make the best banana bread and smoothies. Mushy berries work great in muffins and jams. Variety fruits are sweeter than fresh ones. This means you need less sugar in your recipes. Brown bananas, soft apples, and squishy peaches save money while making desserts taste amazing. Freeze ripe fruits if you can't use them right away. Frozen fruits work perfectly in smoothies and baked goods. They last for months in the freezer. Creative ways to use stems and leaves. Broccoli stems taste like mild broccoli when cooked properly. Peel the tough outer layer and chop the tender inside, and them to stir fries, soups, or eat them raw with dip. Herb stems have lots of flavor. Firstly, stems were great in stocks and sauces. Cilantro stems add punch to salsas and marinades. Don't waste these flavorful foods. Carrot tops make delicious pesto when mixed with nuts, cheese, and olive oil. Beet greens cook like spinach and taste amazing sauteed with the garlic. These free vegetables add nutrition to your meals. Smart storage prevents waste. A proper storage keeps food fresh longer. Store herbs like flowers in water glasses. Wrap leafy greens in damp paper towels before refrigerating. Keep potatoes and onions in cool, dark places. Learn which fruits and vegetables should be stored together. Apples make other fruits ripen faster, so store them separately. Bananas should be kept away from other produce for the same reason. Check your fridge regularly and move older items to the front. Use the first in, first out rule to prevent food from spoiling. Planning meals around what needs to be used first saves money. Meal planning reduces waste. Plan your meals before grocery shopping. Write down what you will cook each day and make a shopping list. This prevents buying too much food that might spoil. Cook similar ingredients in different ways throughout the week. If you buy spinach, use it in salads, smoothies, and pasta dishes. This ensures nothing goes bad before you use it. Batch cooking saves time and reduces waste. Make large portions and freeze half or later. This prevents impulse food purchases on busy days. And that's how you become a zero-waste cooking champion. These simple tips will save you hundreds of dollars every year while making your meals more creative and delicious. Remember, every food scrap is an opportunity, not waste. Which tip surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you save food and money, smash that like button. Subscribe for more money saving kitchen hacks and hacks, and ring that notification bell. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Until next time, keep cooking and keep saving.